Hello everyone, and today is the second day of my English speaking practice day. Now I want to talk about yesterday. Yesterday was my first video of English speaking, and I realized that I was terrible at speaking. I realized that I should have started this English speaking more earlier. It was a very big mistake. I didn't started very earlier. I was watching TV series. I was reading books, and I was trying to improve my English by doing those things: reading books and watching TV series, English TV series. But I forgot the very most crucial part of learning the language, that is speaking. And I did that yesterday, and I started that journey yesterday. I shouldn't be regretting about I started very late. It's never too late. You have to remember that whatever you can start, it's never too late. If you think that you are starting very late, then you are making mistake. It's never too late. You have to remember this phrase. Yesterday when I was editing video, and also when I was speaking, I realized that I am not good at speaking, because I made so many mistakes, and I stammer. I got stuck in the middle of speech. I forgot what I was going to say, and so many terrible mistakes I made yesterday. And of course I will do it today. By doing it, I will learn. Actually, yesterday I actually realized that it was all wrong. If you want to speak English, you have to speak. If you just listen and read, you will understand. Of course you will understand English, but you will never able to speak flawlessly, fluently. So in order to speak, you have to speak, whether it can be with your friends or by yourself, or by what I'm doing right now. You have to just speak. And I think I am going to do it from I started that my journey yesterday, and I will continue doing at least 1 year or 2 year. At least I have to spend my time. I have to invest my time actually, and I think it is a good investment of my time. Investing my time in learning this skill, I think, is a very good decision from me. And I took the challenge yesterday, and I will continue my challenge at least for 2 to 3 years. Then I think I will be good at it. And I realize also some another thing, that still right now I'm still nervous at speaking. There is no one around me, just the camera. Just I know that this will be on YouTube. That is why maybe I am nervous speaking. Yesterday I was very nervous. Today I'm a little bit less nervous compared to yesterday, but still today I'm nervous. But I think this nervousness, I can overcome this nervousness over the time if I continue speaking. Okay, so now I wanted to pick a subject to talk about. I also, of course, I need a subject to talk about. So that is why yesterday I said that I will find a good story from English newspaper, Daily Star. Yes, today I went through English newspaper, the Daily Star, and I found no good news. There was bad news about political issue, about accidents, about rape. There was no good news I found on the newspaper. So that is why I'm kind of disappointing, and I didn't know today that what I'm going to talk about. What subject should I pick today? Okay, so since I didn't find any good news from the newspaper, so I think that I should share my childhood memory. And right now I don't remember any childhood memory, but 3 to 4 years ago I did a very good thing, and it was the best thing maybe I have ever did. I was walking around, and there was a child, maybe 6 to 7 years old. He approached me, and he was asking for money, 10 taka, only 10 taka to eat something. He said, give me 10 taka, I will eat rice. And I was thinking, what will you eat with that 10 taka? So I was not in the mood to give him any money. When he said that I need to eat rice with 10 taka, it triggered me. How will you able to eat something with 10 taka? It is not possible here in Bangladesh. So I took him to the restaurant, and I said to him that whatever you can have. So I called a waiter and said, what do you have? He said, we have fish, we have rice, we have meat. So I asked the boy, what would you like to eat? He said, I would like to eat rice with fish curry. So I said, okay. I called the waiter and I ordered what he wanted. And when I was looking at him, he was eating. I felt so satisfied inside me. I felt so blessed. I was feeling good seeing him eating. I was feeding him, and it was another level of feeling. I felt very good when I was seeing that the boy was happy, and I could make him happy by just offering some food. It was another kind of feeling. If you ever do that with did that with anyone, you will understand how it feels helping someone and making someone happy. It feels amazing. So for the first time, I was feeling very happy. I was enjoying the moment. So he finished eating. I asked him, anything would you like to want? He said, no, I don't need anything. But still I said, okay, you can have ice cream. I bought an ice cream for him and gave it to him. And that was all I could do. If I had any power to do anything for him, then I would do that. But that was all I could do. So that is why I just fed him and said, okay, now you can take a leave. Also later I gave him some big amount of money, and it was big for him, but yeah, I did that, and I spent a lot of money on him, and it felt very good. So yeah, it was a very good feeling helping that poor boy. And I think we should help more people who need help. And if that help is within our reach, then we should help people, because we are a social species. We need to help each other in order to survive. Social species is supposed to help each other to grow, and we need to do that. We need to be more kind to people, and if it is within our reach, then we should do at our best. And yeah, there are so many frauds in this Dhaka city, in this Bangladesh. We should identify them, we should expose them, but sometimes we don't identify. We are unable to identify the frauds, but if we focus on what they are asking for, then we will easily understand that what their motives are. If they want food, then you can help them without asking any questions, because food is something everyone needs to survive. And if they are asking for money, you can question them that why do you need money? I will give you something to eat. Do you want to eat something in the restaurant or anywhere? If they consent, if they say yes, then you can give them some food to eat. Giving them money is not preferable. I don't prefer it. Okay, so that was the story. That was the good story of my life, and now I want to share another related story of this. Okay, so that was the story. That was the good story of my life, and now I want to share another story related to this story. So I was with my mom and my aunt in the bus. There was a hujur came in the bus, and he was asking for money for his madrasa or masjid maybe. So he was asking money, and some people was giving him money, and my aunt gave him only 2 taka. Okay, only 2 taka. Taka is taka. Money is money. You never look down on money that, oh, what is this? This is only 2 taka. you shouldn't dishonor money. He was saying my aunt that this and and I was furious. I got so furious when he said that. When he said this, I immediately stood up. I got furious, and I got up, and I was shouting at him. I was asking him, "What is your papers? Where are you came from? Give me your ID." I was behaving rude with him because he was rude with my aunt, and I got furious. And that event I will never forget, because there are so many hujurs, there are so many people wearing Punjabi and having beard. They ask for money, and of course we should help them, but we need to first check them, that if they are authentic or not. There are so many news we see on the newspaper, that hujur asking for money, and they don't have any ID, they don't have the authority to collect money from the streets. So yeah, we should help everyone, but first we need to check them if they are authentic or not. But I'm not saying that we shouldn't help them. Of course we should help them. We should help everyone who need help, but first we need to check them. If we don't check, then they will be encouraged, they will be inspired to ask money more. And recently we are seeing that we are observing that there are so many people who invented new way to beg money. And there was a recent video in Gulshan. There was a father who is asking for money for his daughter marriage, and it was complete fake video. It was complete fake. He was crying, and we all believed him. We all got emotionally attached with his story. He was saying that I will sell my only last van, and that was touching, and everyone trusted him, everyone believed in him. But later, some days later, we all found out that it was completely fraud. He bought some illegal drinking for him. So yeah, that was the story. You already know that if you live in Bangladesh, that there are new kind of fraud, and people are saying that give him the Oscar for his acting. Yeah, it was so good acting. He acted very well. He fooled everyone, but later he was captured. So yeah, that was the another event, and we should actually help people, but before helping them, we need to check if they are authentic or not. So yeah, I think today is enough. I will come tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.